here's a set of ordered pairs on a graph. Do they constitute a function? Well, I've got the ordered pairs labeled, and we want to look at the first coordinates. All different first coordinates, so indeed it is a function. Now we can also have a test that will check whether or not any graph, it doesn't have to be just dots, is indeed a function, and we call that the vertical line test. Now the vertical line test, just imagine a vertical line passing across the face of your graph. If at any point in time the vertical line touches 2 points of your function or relation, then it's not a function. It fails the vertical line test. So you move or visually imagine a vertical line moving across your graph. If you ever touch the graph twice, it's not a function. In this case, we'd see that there's a vertical line through here, a vertical line which is the axis, a vertical line through here, and a vertical line through here. Those are the only points on this relation. So if these are the only points of the relation, then clearly there's never a vertical line that passes through 2 at the same time. Could we make this graph fail the vertical line test? Well, let's see what we could do. How about if we put a point right here? That point is 2, -1. Does it now fail the vertical line test? Well, does it fail the test because of the 2 or because of the -1? Because either one was there before. Well, what makes it fail the vertical line test is the fact that the x values are the same, and that's what we said in our definition. So now, if we include this value into our set of ordered pairs, those ordered pairs are no longer a function. Now, what about this -1 here? Is it okay for there to be different x's paired with the same y? Yes, you can do that. In fact, let me back to the tables for a minute. This, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now pretty much no matter what I put down here, it's going to be a function because these 5 ordered pairs are going to all start with a different number. So if I put 6, 6, 6, 6, 6 there, these would be a horizontal line. And a horizontal line will pass the vertical line test. So you can pair numbers with the same number over and over and over again, but you can't do that the other way around. That's the part that sometimes is a little bit confusing. Let's look at a couple of other graphs and see if we can tell if they pass the vertical line test. How about if this were our axes, what about a graph that would look maybe like that? Does it fail the vertical line test? Sure. Here's a vertical line. It crosses that graph right there and right there. And as you visualize this line moving back and forth, it does that most of the time. This fails the vertical line test and is not a function.